Hey guys, and welcome to the first devlog video. I am going to be showing off what I did on Tuesday the 24th right now. I only worked for about an hour, but I did get some stuff done. So basically I started implementing a way to read in David's maps, which he made it tiled, so that they can be loaded in the game and the player can walk around them. The maps are basically like the town part of our JRPG, so it's where you're walking around and talking to people, and then you hit events in certain tiles that trigger combat, and then you transition from the town to like a combat state, and then you go back to the town. So that sort of idea. So first thing I did was I made sure I could actually load in all the tiled maps. This took a little longer than I had hoped. I was having a couple errors, but you can see now for the most part the map is loaded. I am missing a few things like basketball hoops, but that's not a huge deal. I can talk to David about acquiring these images. But yeah, pretty much everything else though seems to be here. So from there, I just started thinking about how I wanted to implement this, and the idea I have is pretty simple, right? A tiled map is just a collection of squares essentially, with images put as the squares. So each square is just an image. You put them together and you end up with a map. And then if you think about it though, some of these squares, like the brick and the wood, should be impassable or obstacles, and then the rest will be open spaces. So an easy way I can allow the player to move around is just keep track of their feet, and essentially if they move from like here to here, I just don't allow that and I put them right before the black spot. I just keep track of where they were and then where they were going, and force them out of any black space and put them right before it. So this is an easy way to do collision detection without actually doing collision detection. And then if we want certain events to trigger, like certain tiles, moving onto a certain tile to trigger a certain event, I just simply add hitboxes on all the open spots, and then if a player's feet moves into one of the hitboxes, so if the player's feet collides with the hitbox, it will just trigger the event. So yeah, pretty simple stuff. Overall, you can see it's like each of the graphs, it's a hitbox, and if a specific event wants to be specified on here, it should be easy to do so. Alright, it is Wednesday the 25th, and I'm just going to try to do a bit more work on the tile map coding. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so the code should be there, but it's currently not drawing to the screen because I'm missing sprites. So yeah, I gotta get on top of that. But I'm done for today. Okay, this is my update for Friday. I was not able to work on Thursday. So yeah, I actually am taking a break from the tiled map stuff, and instead I'm going to work a bit on implementing Robbie and David's sprites into the game, so I'm no longer using Blue Box and Terraria sprites. But when I was looking at this, I realized there's still some work to be done with the sprite templates and the character sprites. So I'm trying to go about myself and add some touch-ups and contribute myself to the sprite work. So I tried to take the male sprite and add some little coloration touch-ups, make the boots a bit more distinguished, and add some differentiation in the shades of brown used, little markers on the face that just feel a little more realistic when zoomed in on. And then I tried to take a shot at the female sprite. So using this art style with no neck, it was pretty hard to get a character that looked female. So I'm trying to go about myself. I decided to add a neck, and also to try to make the nose look a bit more petite, reduce the head size a bit. I think it's looking better, but I still have work to do tomorrow on the body. So yeah, see you guys on Saturday. Okay, we're going to pretend it's Saturday. It's not, but we're going to pretend it is. And I'm just going to do a half hour of art development just because I want to improve on the sprites a bit. Yeah, then I'll just be compiling this first devlog and posting it tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Talk to you guys at the end. Okay, I'm gonna call this for the night just because I have stuff to do tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow I'll just be compiling this video, and then Monday start the second devlog. But yeah, just noting, it's I've improved her body a bit. I'm still not happy with her arm, though I have improved it from where it was. She now has a less protruding and masculine shoulder, but I think her shoulder still needs a bit of touch up, and then I also want to just make this arm I don't know exactly what I'm doing with it, but it just feels a bit too large at the moment, or too like straight. Something's off with it. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.